Hey, boss, I get you.
What's the way now?
I know.
I dey look for one correct barber salon. Any correct barber salon dey this village? Because since I come, I never seen any correct barber salon.
No just worry, dey.
First class barber salon, VIP.
The one where they barb any part of person body.
No, abeg come show me time no dey.
Nah, the guy professional. See, here.
Now this one be the VIP barber salon.
No just worry, you go barb everywhere for your body.
Customer. Now welcome.
See all those guys.
No just worry. Nah, I know. Yes, I believe. I know. Una papa.
We go see.
What? Funka?
Now so now they do am here.
That's so, bro.
Supposed to hear of this.
Which kind of VIP treatment be this one?
What?
No, don't.
I hear me, take me, ban me.
Customer, which hairstyle you want? Zava Punk, Dead Valley,
Funka?
Tempo Run,
Jesus!
Accident Beating. Oh, na correct hairstyle.
Jesus is Lord!
I never even choose now. No go mistake me.
Wait a minute,